Alright, so we've got the marquee letters done, so they're just 1 metre tall marquee letters, painted white. Just used plywood for the edges, so just around these edges we've bent plywood around, tacked it in, then painted it. Okay, so the inside of the B was probably the hardest, had to wet down those bits of ply a fair bit to bend them around, and then we noticed the crappy Bunnings plywood was delaminating really quickly, so it couldn't really hold the bend radius that we needed. However, managed to patch it up and it looks pretty good for now. So we've got the WS2801 string lights in there, and so they're just little strings. So basically I got a bit lazy and it wasn't going to extend. I had a 200mm gap in between here and here, so I wasn't going to extend this and cut one out every 200mm. So I've just put one here. It gives a pretty cool effect out the back anyway. Now if we come down here, you can also see this was actually meant to be mounted, the controller was meant to be mounted down the bottom, but we've had to mount it up the top, and I did that because I had the B upside down, and I should have used letters that were sort of parallel on each side, but I didn't, and I stuffed it. So it's mounted up the top, and we have our power feed just here. Okay, and it's basically one continuous string, because then we've joined it with that XLR connector, comes over to the next one, comes all the way up and around, down, and is joined by one more, up into here, up all the way around and down to the bottom, and we're just injecting a bit more power. We were getting about, even after one string, 4.5 volts. If we just leave that power supply on all the way through, you're getting 2 volts over this side, so we're having a few issues with that connector. But all in all, the stands come up alright. Okay, they'll just hold it, probably want to put some weight on. Okay, and yeah, not too bad. So we'll just come back around the front. And it's on auto at the moment, okay, so it's just going through auto sequence. That's it, cheers.